And you're going to put your feet on that block, look.
Go on, dear.
If you hold on to that rope, just going to push you along a little bit, mate. So, there you go. Now get your legs nice and wide on there, so you've got a nice big base of support.
That's it, Liam.
And then whenever you're ready, you can stick your face in. But only go a little way, Marley, not too far. Perfect.
Oh, look.
In you come, mister.
Sit with you.
Spin yourself round.
All right. All right, you won't when you're there. Come on then, step in there.
I'm going to stand on this side, and there's loads of room for you. That means you can hear me, so you don't need to have your head out of the water. So there's a hint there, Liam. Get your head in the water. There you go. Well done. So, and what we're going to do is start the whole thing off with a little bit of camera. So with the camera, really important. If you see a camera... through your legs. Put it on for me, Jay, so you've got it sort of in a position that you're comfortable with, because I don't want to put it on the one just there. Look, see, I told you if you open your legs, they'll swim straight through. Now, Marley, they're all around your block as well. Look, these are our pride and joys, because they were born here at Skegness Aquarium. Okay, they are our Hasselt bamboo cat sharks, and we have 5 in total. Okay, they all swim around like mad, so we probably won't be able to see all 5 of them all at once. Okay, but they are there. Okay, so have a look at those. You'll notice that they're quite stripy. Can you see them from where you are, Jace? Can you see the 5 sharks? Look, if you dip your feet in, you'll be able to see them a bit better if you get a little bit lower in the water. Now these guys, face down for me, guys, are our pride and joys because they were born here, like I mentioned. They started off in the little egg cases, which hopefully I'll be able to show you. Coral, a rock, a stanchion, something like that, and it'll hold that egg there. Look. So see, as I shake that, look, you see, I'm shaking that, and the egg isn't moving anywhere. Alright, both hands on the rope, Marley, and get your legs nice and wide, and you won't feel like you're going to fall over. Right? So, that egg will sit there, and it will take all its nutrients it needs from the water. Now, can you remember I said earlier, what was this egg case, Marley? Well done.
Keep it under the
How
water.
cool is that, Kristen?
Good. Good.
That's a real shark egg case. What's up?
What's the matter?
What's up? Here you go, look. You hold that. You keep hold that for me. Keep it safe. And then we're going to do the same for Jace.
Chris, keep it under water.